his eyes?
I saved him.
You saved him?
Yeah.
Be still, don't let him fall off. What happened?
I poured him out in a bucket with water and I didn't know. Look, there's a friend.
There's his friend.
And he got in the water and he fell in there and he was upside down and I did this and I did this and he come down my hand.
He did?
Yeah, is that nice?
Yeah, that was sweet of you. You saved him.
He tickles.
He tickles.
Yeah.
Look at him. He's drying off. He's getting ready to fly away. There he goes, look. Say bye-bye.